the crockety crocs. I am the crockety crocs. I am the crockety crocs. I eat almost every animal. It's because I don't eat so much. I eat so much. You eat more. Yeah. I can spin in that tap. As you can see, I when potatoes come to get me, potatoes come to get me. Potatoes to get me. What's going on? I can get him. Thanks for helping us. No problem. Ow. I'm Crockety Croc.
Sleep. Kaya look at you. Alex, sleep. Only if you put sleep powder, I can sleep.
Okay. I can sleep bounce on you.
Okay, put it. So just, can you put sleep bounce on me?
It can be turned into poison, so take it off early. Wash yourself.
Where's the water?
That is the water. The water dried up. I like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move it. I like to.
Hey, why are you dancing like that, Gloria?
Oh. You ruined my breakdance. How's your plane working?
We saw very much cars here, so we went to the shop from here. We went to the shop and we bought a plane that can.
Breaking news.
Go to what?
In the Singapore Safari Park, new animals have been found, as a hippopotamus breakdancing on a song called I Like to Move It, as you can see in this clip. I like to move it. I like to move it. And she claims to be a girl, and her name is Gloria. And breaking news, there's another one. It's a penguin, and he claims to be a boy, and he was caught talking to the other animals, and he claims to be Private, as the name Private. And then an IA monkey here that was with a ring-tailed lemur was found doing this, sleeping.
For you.
And he claims to be a boy, and his name is Maurice. And then a mouse lemur found with a ring-tailed lemur sitting on its back. Actually, the mouse lemur was sitting on the ring-tailed lemur's back and claimed to be a boy and named Mort. And these twin chimpanzees were found, and they were claimed to be Mason and Phil. And we even found African elephants, and they didn't say anything to us. They came to attack us, so we ran away. And then a very tall penguin that claimed to be Kowalski and claimed to be a boy. And then a bear found growling, a grizzly bear, and claiming to be the ring-tailed lemur's friend, and saying that he is a boy and she is a girl, claiming to be Sonia the bear. And then a Siberian tiger found and claiming to be from a circus and a boy, and named Vitaly. And a giraffe found claiming to be from the New York Central Park Zoo, named as Melman, found in the Singapore Safari Parks. And also another tall penguin claimed to be Rico and a boy. And then another one that looks just like Private claims to be Skipper, but with an open forehead. And then Alex the lion, the king of the Central Park Zoo, was also found here. And then he found a sea lion claiming to be from the Rome circus and named Stefano, and is a boy. And then a zebra claiming to be Marty from the Central Park Zoo of New York says that he came here for a holiday. And then the ring-tailed lemur was found near the safari park. The safari jeep. Getting into the safari jeep and hitting the safari jeep like this. Ah! I hate you! I hate you! How dare you come with us? How dare you try to kill us? Dumb freaks! What are you trying to do? Why do you want to kill us? You want to eat us? You want to keep us in a taxidermy museum? What you want to do? What you want to do? Why aren't you replying to me? Reply to my question. Hello? Hello? I hate him.
Your Majesty.
Yes. We have found a tall tower. A tall tower? I am going to break it in pieces. It wouldn't break.
Actually, me. Actually, me, Your Majesty.
Thanks, Maurice. And I'm having the cough. Make me the cough syrup by that 4A leaves, Maurice.
Okay.
Maurice!
Yes, I am making it. I'm just making it right now. I'm done with making it.
King Julian.
It's even bigger than
I love you, King Julian.
Huh! There are no size comparison.
Me standing and this cough syrup standing. I'm eating it. I ate it. And I think my cough has stopped now. I would say so.
Your Majesty. Everyone?
Yes, Manish.
Your Majesty, where is Gia?
I have no idea.
A plane! I am get outing of the plane.
But the plane is crashed, freak.
No, but me and Alex there is very much cars there. Me and Alex went inside there